me. Yes, I get caught up in Babylon and them bag of confusion and them chaos and them wars and catastrophe. Just don't get distracted by them, I say, I never just hold on a farm, take care of their family and their brethren and sisters. Them is smart, say. Just go and hold the vibe of life. I know, say, Babylon will fall, utterly. Me, personally, be up on a relaxation mode every day. Remember, relax, my dear. Can't you see where life is really going? Perhaps we're there already and we don't even notice. My perception's clear. For some got eyes and they don't even notice. Jah love's for real. And we must not show it. Ain't no kindness like just devotion. No lost emotions and no poison potions. We like seeds bust out of earth, set in motion, man. Speak no evil, do no evil, and hear the truth. Remember, pour water to the root that bears the fruit. Every man and every woman was once a youth. Live and perfect your life and don't you go pollute. And relax, my dear. For can't you see where life is really going? Perhaps we're there already and we don't even notice. My perception's clear. For some got eyes and they don't even notice. Jah love so real. And on our way, we must not show it. Gratitude to Jah, be grateful. Show love and don't be hateful. Wicked man, them a go get a plate full. And all who a live disgraceful. Me nah run a race, see them raceful. Me nah take no taste of what is awful. Feed them with the knowledge, see them wasteful. We run down in a hell, see them hasteful. Come free praise, Jah want see this face full. If a lamp you a fill, then me case full. They get the fun, they run the base full. From them not praise the last, see them fi careful. Fool, praise Jah, yes they should. Find their ways, yes they could. Put away illusion and be faithful. What a glorious day, oh they should. Relax right there. But can't you see where life is really going? Perhaps we're there already and we don't even notice. My perception's clear. Some got eyes and they don't even notice. Jah love's for real. And on our way, we